Hey, welcome to SAR Trail. That's Natalie, I'm Jeff, and the really nice people at Iceco reached out to us and asked us if we would review their camp stainless steel grill, oven, smoker combo. And I'll be honest with you, we weren't really looking for a grill to take with us out on the trail. But we thought, you know what, we'll give it a try and let's take a look at it and see. And we've been really impressed. They reached out to us. They gave us this. We're not being paid. They just asked us, hey, take it, use it a bunch. It's dirty. We've used it a bunch. And they just wanted our honest opinion. So, honest opinion, what do you think?
Honest opinion, I think it's really worth the money. It's a great tool. I was at first also like, oh, I don't know that we need a grill, but we need this.
So we always cook at home. We've got a smoker, like a Vision grill. It's like a green egg grill. And we always like cooking over lump charcoal. I think it gives you the most flavor. And now we can do that on the trail. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it really is an awesome grill.
And I'll tell you here, this is from like a functional side. It's lightweight, it's all stainless. We don't cook anything on aluminum. I know you can get really lightweight aluminum stuff, but we just don't like the idea of cooking on aluminum. So the fact that it's stainless is a big plus for us. It collapses down nice and small. It comes in a really awesome bag, which we're going to show you. And man, if you got the room for this size, and we'll give you all the dimensions, but if you got the room for it, it has a lot of function.
It really does.
All right, so speaking of the bag it comes in, it's a heavy duty bag, has handles, really nice. You know, if you buy camp chairs and they come in this flimsy stuff that you're probably going to tear in your first or second use, this is not the case. It's a really nice heavy duty bag. It's got a spot on the inside for all the legs. So you got the legs on a pocket in the inside, and then you got the rest of the grill, and this oven part goes down inside your grill, so it really condenses down to, I think, right about 6 inches of thickness, and that goes right in here. And then you just zip it up in your bag, and it keeps it all enclosed really nice. So the way it works, you got inside in here, there's an area you put your charcoal. So the thing works on charcoal or on wood, anything that you make as a fire, not propane, obviously. So it works like a charcoal grill. And then, what do you like about this part down here, baby?
I really like the function of the oven. You know, we normally cook over, like just straight over fire with a grill, but this one has a pretty good added function to it. This morning we made biscuits right in here. You know, when I first saw it, I was like, how could that possibly really work? But it does. We did tri-tip in it, where we started the tri-tip off in the oven and cooked it a while, and then we seared it on top to kind of give it that grilled smoky flavor, and it came out. We've done that a couple times now, and it's come out great every time.
Yeah, so out of the box, well, let me go back another step. It came in a box packed incredibly well. I was impressed. I mean, Iceco didn't go cheap on just the packing. So that part I was really impressed with, because today, man, you get stuff that comes in boxes and sometimes it's rattling around and falling all over, and you're lucky if it shows up in one piece. This wasn't the case. It was really well packed. And then we got it out, unpacked it, took it outside in the backyard, because we used it at our house a couple times before we brought it out on the trail. And it's such a high polish on the stainless that it almost blinds you in the sunlight. I mean, they didn't go cheap anywhere on this thing. And some more awesome cooking features that it has. So down here is your oven. So you got this whole tray down here. Oh, we still got some biscuit in here. Let's get those out. Okay, so that, when you go to haul it away and you go to store it, you just drop it right down in here and it goes away really nice. Another feature, because this is more than just an oven, it's a smoker as well. So you flip it upside down, lay it across here, and it will control your temperature. And we've discovered that it controls your temp really nice, and you can smoke your meats at a low, slow temperature. I'm not going to say it's going to be like a green egg or a Vision grill ceramic smoker. Man, for having something that weighs what this weighs, that's this size, that offers you all that capability, you have some sacrifices along the way. You know, everything you do has a trade-off. If you want something that you could sit on and stand on that's crazy durable, well, it starts getting really heavy at that point. And then you don't want to bring it with you camping. If you want something that you could smoke on like a professional smoker, well, once again, it's going to be too big and too heavy, so you're not going to bring it with you camping. But if you kind of want the best of all the worlds, with a little bit of sacrifice on the edges, I think it's great. So another feature that it has, you got two different levels of this. You got the regular level, and then you have, I think it's called the barbecue or adventure level. That level, that second level, costs you a little bit more money, but it comes with a pouch of this all zippered in, a nice carrying case of all the cooking tools that you'd want, as a scraper, all the different tools you use on your grill and on your barbecue. And they're all stainless steel, really nice stuff. And I would say if you're going to buy this, go ahead and buy that kit as well, because it's really nice stuff. It's not little cheap knockoff kind of stuff. It's good quality. Across the front here, you have these vents. Also across the back, you have vents. So it breathes really well. I'll say the only drawback that I can possibly say about this is your cleanup after when you're done. Because, you know, you don't want to just carry around a bag full of put out charcoal after you've put out your fire. So you got to reach down there and clean it out. You can take this guy off pretty easily. I just left it on and reached my hands down in there and cleaned out all the charcoal once the fire was out. We washed it all out. So I would say that's not even really a downside. It's just part of having a grill. There's something to clean up after. But it's nice, man. I love that it's stainless. It cleans up really well. It's going to last a long time, and you don't have to worry about aluminum or other things like that, which could possibly be putting contaminants into the food that you're eating. So from a guy's point of view, I think it's great. It's a grill. I love cooking things on the grill. I think it's the best food you can possibly eat. Woman's point of view, what do you think?
Yeah, I think it's a really great grill. I think it's going to be a nice addition to how we cook on the trail.
Yeah, for sure. So there's a discount code here. You saw this video on SAR Trail. Use the discount code. We're going to post it on the screen. We're going to post it in the description. And you can buy direct from Iceco. They're going to get it to you really within like a week or less. I think this one got to us very quickly. Use the discount code. Take advantage of that. And if you got any questions or comments, leave those in the description, and we'll try to get back with you as quickly as possible. Before you make a purchase, if you got any questions, let us know, and we'll tell you exactly, because we have used this thing a lot. Like I said, in the backyard of our house, we used it out on the trail. We've cooked breakfast on it, we've cooked lunch on it, we've cooked dinner on it. We didn't want to show you some shiny, beautiful, unused thing and call it a review. We wanted to give you some honest, like, we've cooked on this thing a lot, and we wanted to give you some honest feedback on it, and we like it. Thanks a lot, guys.